everyone, welcome to HTVRONT channel. We're going to do a test in today. Sublimate on cotton by using sublimation coating, HTVRONT-clear HTV and Easysubli separately, and see the effects among them after water washing. There's a picture on upper left corner. You guys can guess the corresponding material according to the effect. And we'll review the answer at the end of the video. Firstly, cutting out the pattern we need. Turn on auto mode. Set temperature to 390 Fahrenheit and the time to 5 seconds. Since two of the three materials are applied in light colors, so we use light colored cotton for testing this time. Okay, let's test sublimation coating. Firstly, put the coated cloth on the mat. Frame a square with heat tape according to the paper size. Remember to remove the paper before spraying coating. After spraying, just remove the tape and then cover the baking paper. Set heating temperature to 390 Fahrenheit and the time to 5 seconds. Okay, just take it out and check whether the coating has been dry. You guys don't worry, we just can heat press it one more time if it's not dry. Next, putting Easysubli next to the coating. Set temperature to 390 Fahrenheit and the time to 5 seconds to press the Easysubli and dry the coating again. Now you guys can see the coating area has been dried. And place sublimation paper, then secure it with heat tape. Notice here, just set 390 Fahrenheit for 35 seconds for the total sublimation process. Okay, it's done. Let's take a look. Seems Easysubli is very vibrant. That coating seems not vividly, even a little bit blurred. Alright, two materials already been tested. Let's use our clear HTV for testing. Okay, repeat heating press steps. Let's take a look. Clear HTV has vivid colors and high transfer rate. You guys can see the comparison among the three products very vividly, right? The colors on Clear HTV and Easysub are very vibrant, but blur on coating the materials. That's what I see. How do you guys think of it? Okay, everything's done. But don't forget the last step. We need to see the effect among these materials after washing. So let's wait 24 hours and then wash it. Hi, we're back. We just got this out from washing machine and dry it in 1 hour under natural wind and sunshine. You guys can see the results now. Can you still recognize the materials? You guys can get the answer with the help of labels. Let me show you more clearly. Now you can see the comparison before and after washing. There are advantages and disadvantages among 3 products. Easysubli is suitable for light and dark fabrics and can be printed in vibrant colors. Clear HTV can only be used on light color fabrics if not layered. And the colors are also very vibrant. Coating can be used on many materials besides fabrics, but the colors are blurred. What materials do you like the best? If you like this video, please like and share this post, subscribe our channel. I'll see you guys in next video. Bye for now.